very quick update on the Virago project. So I've been traveling a lot, so I didn't have as much time to work as I would love to, but in the meantime managed to get a spare bike. So I have a spare engine, spare carbs, a lot of spare bits on it, and it came with loads and different fun parts, which I'm gonna use some of them. But the best thing that happened when I was away, a dear friend of mine got me a lift. So now it makes working on it so much better and easier and nicer. And with the other bike I got the front forks, which are the R6, YAMAHA R6. I think I need to get different triple trees because they don't work really good on it. And trying the other carburetors, but the starter on it, which of course Virago's are famous for the problems with the starters, but it's really bad, so it won't even turn over. So need to adjust the plan a bit, and I think take the engine out and just work on it properly first, and then then decide what I'm going to do with the carb. So this or the others, or maybe single carb conversion, and then I'm gonna play with all the other bits. So yeah, I'm going away again, so I'm gonna get back to it when I'm back in a couple of weeks.